It seems that another app is blocking access to Google Play. Turn off any apps that might be drawing over the screen and try again. Many Android users facing a strange issue while using Google Play to install app or using Google Pay to make a payment. It throws an error, saying, "Looks like another app is blocking access to Google Play." Turn off any apps that might be drawing over the screen and try again. If you're facing any such issues with Google Play Store or Google Pay app on your Android phone, then in this video I will show you how to fix looks like another app blocking access Google Play. So let us start. Method 1. Uninstall updates of Google Play. Google Play Store is a system app on your Android device. What you can do is uninstall previous updates to the app, and this might help your problem. Here's how you can do it. Open Settings. Tap on Apps. Tap on See All Apps and scroll down to Google Play Store. Tap to open it and then tap on the three dots on the top right corner to reveal Uninstall Updates. Tap Uninstall Updates and check if the issue is resolved. Method 2. Check apps allowed to draw over the screen. The apps are drawing over the screen error usually pops up when there's an app trying to display content over other applications on the screen. So, check which apps have permission to draw over the screen. Open Settings on your Android phone. Go to Apps and Notification. Tap the three dots on the top right. Select Special Access. Look for Display over the apps or appear on top. Check apps that are allowed to display over other apps. Turn off the permission for these apps. Now go to Settings, then Accessibility, Installed Services. Turn off the permission. Now all you need to do is closing all opened apps. Then restart your phone. So, this is the easy way to fix it. Seems that another app is blocking access to Google Play. Turn off any apps that might be drawing over the screen and try again. I hope this video will help you solve problem of looks like another app is blocking access to Google Play. Turn off any apps that might be drawing over the screen and try again. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the subscribe button and join us.